અને સાથે જ સીએન્ડમાં પણ આપણને એક છે વધારે તરફે ટ્રેન્ડ જોવા મળી રહ્યા છે. અને આ સાથે જ મુથુટ કેપિટલ સર્વિસીસના CEO આર મનમોહન જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે, પરિણામ આવ્યા છે તેના પર વધુ વાતચીત કરવા. मनमोहन सर, गुड मॉर्निंग, आपका स्वागत है.
मॉर्निंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
सबसे पहले तो सर ये बताइए, ये तिमाही के नतीजे कैसे रहे?
Yes, we have just closed our last financial accounts, and yesterday the board approved the financial statement for the year 2015-16. We are primarily into two-wheeler financing. We did a disbursement of 592 crores in the previous year, that is the year ended 2015 March. And compared to that, we did a disbursement of 780 crores, which is a substantial improvement this year. That is for auto loans alone, that is two-wheeler loans. Compared with the other loans, the total disbursements this year has been 928 crores compared to 648 crores in the previous year. The loan book increased from 840 crores as on 31st March 2015 to 1,039 crores as on this balance sheet date, that is also on 31st March 2016. The total revenue for the previous year was 191 crores, which improved to 229 crores this year. The profit before tax improved from 34.17 crores to 35.45 crores.
Okay.
And the net profit increased from 22.29 crores to 22.85 crores.
Okay. Sir, can you tell us about the asset quality? What's your gross NPA and net NPA? Definitely you have a very less, we can say, NPAs and all, but still you can give us the number.
Yeah, we have an NPA problem. In fact, as the loan book was maturing, we have been facing an NPA problem. And at the end of the last financial year, the total NPA stood at 32.54. But all the NBFCs were required to progress from 6 months recognition of NPAs to 5 months recognition this year. This straight away added 21 crores to our NPA size. So total became 54 crores as on 1st of April. From 33 crores as on 31st March, it straight away became 54 crores as on the 1st of April. And during the year, there has been some addition of 35 crores. And as a result, it went up to 89 crores, you can say nearly 90 crores. But we have been able to recover 35 crores, 36 crores NPA during this year. And year end, we stood at 54 crores.
Okay.
If you go by the percentage, last year end was 3.94% growth, which increased to 5.21% this year end. But that was on account of mainly on account of the recognition norms, NPA recognition norms.
Okay. What about the FY17? What will be the NPA numbers you're looking at? Do you see any increase given the rural stress we are facing?
No. Actually, I have to tell you that we have been facing a problem in increasing NPAs for 6-7 quarters. No, but we have been able to reverse that in the last quarter. In fact, 31st December, the NPAs were 62 crores. But we have been able to recover 8 crores during the year, and we closed the quarter with 54 crores. And we are planning, if the same efforts continue, we have been able to do some tweaking in our recovery strategy, collection strategy and all that.
Okay.
We are planning to end the year 2017 with 3.5%.
Okay. What about the demand scenario? How do you see the demand picking up? We have seen the uptick in two-wheeler sales as well. So you can give us a ground reality check. How do you see the demand environment for, let's say, for coming next year?
There are 2-3 things. One is there has been moderate demand, moderate increase in sales in two-wheelers across the country. What has been more significant is that there has been a shift from two-wheelers, shift from motorcycles to scooters. And we had launched our Ladies Only scheme, which is financing of scooters for ladies at concessional rates of interest. And this we have been able to achieve substantial disbursement under this scheme. Total disbursement for the year has been about 192 crores, which has added to our disbursement for the year. Going ahead, we will be focusing on the two-wheeler segment, especially scooters, and we will be continuing to promote this ladies only scheme. We do not find any problem in achieving the budget for next year, which is a total disbursement of about 1,183 crores.
Okay, sir. Last question. what about the guidance for coming quarter? Should we expect the same kind of growth rate? Let's say we saw nearly 20-25% growth in your loan book, as well as net interest margins grew by also good growth number. So what will be your guidance for next year?
We are confident of continuing the same growth trend in the coming years. That's why I told you we have a budget, an ambitious budget of 1,183 crores disbursement for the next financial year. We plan to take the loan book size to more than 1,500 crores by the end of next year, and it will be a gradual increase over the quarters. We do not have any problem we do not foresee any problem in continuing the growth trend in disbursement. On the bottom line also, we are expecting substantial improvement in the next quarters and next financial year.
Sir, last question. We are expecting good monsoon this time. So if the monsoon is good, do you expect that we say a big demand revival in the industry? And if that happens, what kind of numbers, if you have any estimates or any numbers you have?
It will be very good for the company, because we have our disbursement primarily in the rural and semi-urban areas, and a demand pickup resulting from an improved monsoon, a better monsoon, will definitely increase the demand for our financial products, that is the loan for two-wheelers, and that will definitely augur our results for the coming year.
Okay. मिस्टर मनमोहन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर हमसे जुड़ने के लिए और सारी बातें शेयर करने के लिए. आ था मुथूट कैपिटल सर्विसेस मैनेजमेंट खासा कॉन्फिडेंट लागी રહ્યા હતા ટુ વ્હીલર ફાઇનાન્સમાં ખાસ એવું એક જમ જોવા મળી રહ્યું છે. ખાસ કરીને સ્કૂટર સેગમેન્ટ સારું પરફોર્મ કરી રહ્યું છે અને